Chris here with a cob cabin update. The rubble trench is now filled with rubble. And as I kind of showed in the other video, I had some bigger rocks that are actually on the bottom layer of this, just one layer. And those rocks are about 6 or 8 inches wide. Put those at the bottom so there's really big gaps. So if any water gets in there, it can really easily flow through here, get to my drain. And as you can see, I have the drain pipe in here right now. It's a 2-inch PVC that goes out, and I put a hose in it with a little bit of water running just to make sure it drained properly. And now I can go ahead and cover that up. Then on top of the rubble trench, I have these small rocks. They're, 1, 2, 3 inches in diameter, and that's what I filled up the rest of the trench with. And now that it's full, I'll be able to start putting my stem wall in. And the stem wall will be a cement and sand mix, and I'll be using these rocks over here to build the wall. So I'll mostly just use the rocks, and I'll need just a very little bit of cement to try and just basically hold them together and give it some shape. Looking good for now. I've also put my line in here. You can see the string that's gonna show the outside border of the wall back here. As I said in a previous video, I don't need to have a rubble trench here because I've built down to solid granite. So that'll be great. I can just build up my stem wall. The stem wall will be about 3 feet tall, and then from the stem wall, that's where I'll start building cob. So the stem wall is just the bottom part. That's to be sure that any sideways rain that gets around the overhang of the roof and hits the building, make sure you don't have any of your cob washing away. If there's any surface flow coming down this hill here that hits the building, it'll just hit the rocks and cement so it won't wash anything away. And I did put down this landscaping cloth here, which if we follow it, starting right in here, I filled this with little rocks all the way going down. I also put a pipe in, 2-inch pipe, but I put the rocks inside the landscape fabric just in case there was so much water that the pipe had trouble conveying it, that the rocks would allow the water to drain out on its own. So just in the chance of that torrential downpour, I'll be sure that no water gets inside my cob house. So that's the update for now. I'll start working on the stem wall and tell you about that soon. Bye.